Before doing anything else, you need to install the printer drivers for your computer. The wrong drivers can cause your printer to not work properly. Go to zebra.com/setup and download Zebra Setup Utilities, which helps you install drivers for your Zebra printers, as well as perform other functions with your printer such as configuring printer settings. Alternately, you can go to zebra.com/ZT230-info, click on Drivers, and then install the latest version of the Z Designer driver for Windows. For this video, we're going to use Zebra Setup Utilities because it will also help us print a label from the application to help us ensure our printer is properly set up. Follow the instructions on installing Zebra Setup Utilities. The following instructions will help you install a new Zebra printer using a USB connection. Download the latest printer driver from zebra.com. Double-click on the driver executable file. The InstallAware wizard opens to verify the software contents. On the Zebra Welcome screen, click Next. In the Select Destination screen, click Next. Once the complete installation screen appears, click Next. Select I have read the information above and click Next on the Important Information screen. Several installation screens will pass by. When the Completing the Zebra Technologies wizard screen appears, deselect View Release Notes and run the Printer Installation wizard. Click Finish. The Pre-installed Driver Package screen appears. When the Printer Installation wizard opens, click Next. Click Install Printer Driver. For the license agreement, select I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click Next. Connect the printer to the computer using a USB cable and turn on the printer. On the Select Port screen, click USB port. Printer options are populated with the connected printer's information. In this case, the printer is a ZT620. Confirm the information and click Install. The printer driver installs. On the summary screen, click Exit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on how to use your ZT230 printer.